So I'm going to teach you how to make grilled cheese sandwich. And then quickly add 2 pieces of cheese. Oh my God. Hello everyone, it's Ethan from Cooking for Kids TV, and I'm going to show you how to make a grilled cheese. I'm also going to do this mission of do not cook from a box. Cook from a book, because we don't know what kind of chemicals there are or kind of bad food there is in a box. So that's why we cook from a book. This is from a book too. So I'm going to teach you how to make grilled cheese sandwich. So let's start getting into it. First you grab your butter knife with some butter, any kind of butter, your choice, and you get 2 breads or 4, so you can make 2 of them. Okay, put one right here and put one right here and spread it around. So here's the tip. The more butter you put, the more longer it's gonna be cooking. And also make sure you cover all the areas, like any areas. Spread, now it's done. Now I'm going to use the other one. Okay, so now I am going to put it onto the pan. Put it butter down first. Ah, dang it. And then quickly add 2 pieces of cheese. Colby Jack, cheddar, any kind. Quickly, because we don't want it to burn. Now I'm going to put the buttered side. This time you don't put it buttered face down. You put it buttered face up. Boom. And then let it, watch it. Yeah. And this is also my dad's recipe, and my dad's a producer, like way back there. Also, I'm going to just sit here and wait, and then also here's a tip. Once it's like easy to move and that stuff, like use your spatula, and once it's easy to move, it may be done, so I'm just gonna check. And also, my favorite cheese is Colby Jack, and comment down below what your favorite cheese is. There's all kinds of cheese like cheddar, Colby Jack, like which one I like. There's also tons of more cheeses that I don't even know about that I'm gonna discover about. I'm just gonna let this sit for about a minute. Ooh, that actually is done. And also once you flip it, you pat it down gently. And also I forgot, once it's golden brown, it's done on this side, but not done on the other side. Get this. I'm just gonna clean up my area. This is for cutting in half, but Gordon Ramsey usually says no cutting in half, but it's my dad's way, so I'm gonna cut in half, like diagonal. A very big fan of Gordon Ramsay. If you're watching this, Gordon Ramsay, I'm a big fan. I'm your #1 fan. Now I'm going to flip it. So it's done. By the way, here's a hint. You don't cook it like 2, 3, 4 times on each side. You only cook it 1 time, because that's a lot. Like, that's probably gonna burn this thing, even though it has butter on it. So I'm gonna cut diagonal. Corner, corner. Mark my line. There. There. Okay. I could already see the cheese, and here is what it looks like. It's still steaming hot, so I have to do it fast. Oh! Oh my God! That is so a monster. Cut this off. Okay, fine, I'll rip this off. So hey guys, it's Ethan here, and also I'm gonna be taste testing these. Wait, Max, can you tell me what these are called? Grilled cheese. Yeah, grilled cheese. And also, it's my brother, and if you haven't seen the last video of him in the video, it's right here, right here.
No, right here.
Yeah, you go first. You're the little brother. Tastes good? Like, this tastes really, really good.
Take my drink.
My turn. Okay. That's really good.
We should save this recipe for like Mother's Day.
Our mom doesn't eat gluten.
Is that gluten?
Yes. Bread is made out of gluten, so my mom can't eat gluten. Max, what do you give this? Up to 10.
Ethan, you say your number first.
Okay. I give it 9 through 10. 9 through 10.
I give it an 8 through 90.
No, 8. It has to be maximum 10.
I give a 9 through 10.
Okay. Same. And also, comment down below if you made this and you liked it so much, you might be the next shout out.
Guess what? The cookers are the shout out.
So the chefs. I know my brother's still learning about chefs and cooks, and he still is a smoothie expert.
Yeah, smoothie
And
expert.
also, his channel of smoothie experts coming up on my channel. Don't forget to see them because they're coming up. His first episode is gonna almost be here. And the first shout out goes to Texas Elite. Thank you for giving that nice comment. And if you want to be shout out, make sure you do a nice comment. Bye, guys. Max, you want to say bye?
Bye.
High five, though. Bye.
Bye. See you
Love
tomorrow.
you, comments. Bye.